Now, after Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik targeted the NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede, supporters of the high-profile narco cop gathered outside the NCB office today. They showered flowers on Sameer Wankhede as he arrived at his office. Workers criticized the NCB Minister Nawab Malik, accusing him of harboring personal vendetta against Wankhede. They also shouted slogans in support of Sameer Wankhede. Malik on Tuesday had accused Narcotics Control Bureau Zonal Director of extorting crores of rupees and using ultra-expensive clothes beyond the reach of an honest and an upright officer. In fact, Malik claimed the officer wore a trouser worth £1 lakh, a shirt costing 70,000, watch costing about 25 to 50 lakh rupees. Sources reveal that Wankhede rubbished these allegations, calling these rumor mongering. In fact, he even advised those criticizing his clothes to visit Lokhandwala market to ascertain the true cost of the clothes that he wears. Meanwhile, Nawab Malik continues with his attacks against the NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede. Now, Maharashtra Minister is asking how an IRS officer can afford to wear luxury brands worth lakhs of rupees. Wankhede's family has responded to Malik's latest attack, saying that the NCB Zonal head wears clothes that he bought with his hard-earned money. Here's more on that.
समीर वानखेड़े की शर्ट 70,000 रुपए की क्यों होती है?
This is the latest saga in the ugly face-off between NCP versus the NCB. Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik has gone after nemesis number one, Sameer Wankhede again. This time, questioning where Wankhede gets the money for his swanky clothes.
समीर वानखेड़े की शर्ट 70,000 रुपए की क्यों होती है? हर दिन नया कपड़ा पहन के क्यों आते हैं? मोदी साहब से भी आगे निकल गए। पतलून लाख रुपए की, पट्टा 2 लाख रुपए का, जूता 2.5 लाख रुपए का, घड़ी 50 लाख रुपए की, 25 लाख रुपए की, 30 लाख रुपए की। जिस तरह के कपड़े इन तमाम दिनों में उन्होंने पहने, उसकी कीमत ही 5-10 करोड़ रुपए की है।
While Wankhede denied the charge, dismissing it as rumor and claiming that Nawab Malik should be properly informed before making such allegations. Malik's latest attacks got support from ally Shiv Sena, who so far stayed away from the sensational charges leveled by the NCP leader.
इनकम टॅक्सची केस आहे. जर इन्कम टॅक्स राजकारणाला नोटीस पाठवतो, इन्कम टॅक्स राजकारण्यांच्या घरावर धाडी, कुटुंबावर धाडी, ते त्यांचे रुमाल कुठल्या किती किमतीचा आहे हे विचारतात, पेन किती रुपयाचा आहे ते विचारतात. मग नवाब मलिक हे जबाबदार लोकप्रतिनिधी आहेत. त्या संदर्भात आयकर विभागानं त्याच्यावरती स्वतः सुमोटो कारवाई करायला हरकत नाही.
Malik's latest attack prompted a swift rebuttal from Wankhede's family. His lawyer, Sister Yasmin, hit back at the minister.
My brother, I'll tell you something to the nation through this medium of channel. He just keeps a note, he makes a note on a list that what he wants to buy. He's a taxpayer, let me clear that. He's a proper taxpayer. And after, like, whatever he wants to buy, he writes it on the chit of paper. And he just shops only in a year, only once in a year.
Nawab Malik did not stop at just questioning Wankhede's income. The minister, who's been on a tirade against the NCB Mumbai chief, repeated his extortion charge.
प्राइवेट आर्मी इस शहर में धड़ल्ले से ड्रग का कारोबार भी करती है। छोटे छोटे मामले उजागर होते हैं, लोगों को फंसाया जाता है और धड़ल्ले से बड़े मामले इस शहर में चल रहे हैं।
Wankhede too is upping the ante against Nawab Malik. Sources have told India Today that Wankhede has now requested the Scheduled Caste Commission to file a case against Nawab Malik under the Dalit Atrocities Act.
Wankhede isn't backing down in the face of one allegation after another. The NCB zonal head has accused Nawab Malik of calling his family bogus, calling it a personal snub and demanding that the minister be booked. Sources say that Wankhede referred to an alleged bid to trap him through a drug peddler named Salman, who had approached his lawyer sister Yasmin but was turned away.
The ugly NCP versus the NCB face-off has become a personal fight between Nawab Malik and Sameer Wankhede. But who will have the last laugh in this bitter war of words?
मला अभिमान है.
With Divyesh Singh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.